Hello, crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and crypto explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix the transaction cannot succeed due to error in PancakeSwap. So maybe you experience already when you try to swap the token that you want to swap or that you want to buy in PancakeSwap, you experience the transaction error. So this time you will learn how to fix it. Okay, so let's try. Select currency, then paste the address, add the token, then click the token. I will try to buy SLD using my BUSD fund. Click max, this button. Okay, then click swap. Accept. Confirm swap. So you see, the transaction cannot succeed due to error. Insufficient output amount. This is probably an issue with one of the tokens you are swapping. Okay, just click dismiss. What you're going to do is to click this settings, this button. Click. Then increase the slippage tolerance. This button. Okay, click this button. Let's try 2%. Then click X button. Then let's try to swap again. Confirm. So another transaction error. So let's try the higher slippage. Let's click the settings again. Let's try 5 slippage. Then click X. Then let's try to swap again. Confirm swap. Error. So dismiss. Let's try another higher slippage. Maybe 7%. Click swap. Confirm swap. Another error. So let's make it higher. I think let's try 9. Swap. Error again. Let's try 10. Swap. Confirm swap. Error again. Dismiss. Then let's try higher. 12. Confirm swap. There you go. Network fee is 1.42. So we have the higher slippage with a higher network fee. Okay, then click approve. Let's wait. Transaction submitted. Okay, then close. Okay, I already bought SLD with slippage tolerance 12%. So all you need to do, guys, when you experience transaction error, just adjust the slippage tolerance. You start from 1%, then make it higher until the transaction succeeded. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you are new to my channel, click subscribe, click notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload a new video. Click like button also. Thank you and have a good day.